Bat song is so different from human speech that it barely scrapes the limits of our hearing. But babies and bat pups have a lot in common when it comes to their early chattering. New research has revealed vocalizing behaviors that both these mammals share in infancy. It's a first-of-its-kind comparison, the scientists say, that defines baby bat babbling. Babies make distinct sounds, and often repeat them ad nauseum. They're part of babbling, a crucial rung on the ladder to spoken language. Greater sackwing bats don't speak, but their buzzes appeal to potential mates. Their pups get started early. Past studies show they rattle off sounds resembling adult territorial songs, which help males court mates and defend their turf. That makes them among a few mammals, like marmosets, whose offspring utter sounds similar to babbling in babies. Researchers thought these bat pup chirps might share some features with human babbling, but no one knew for sure. First, the researchers had to pin down what the sound shared with those made by human infants. They defined 8 elements of babbling based on studies in humans. These included how old babies are when they start babbling, what sounds and syllables babies use, and why they use these sounds, even when they seem to have no clear purpose. The researchers observed bat colonies on buildings and trees in Central America and recorded their vocalizations in different contexts. They might note when a pup made its first chirps. Another pup might repeat the same vocal pattern over and over with no response from its parent, as babies sometimes do. Next came the arduous task of classifying the vocal patterns of bat pups. Since baby gurgles and coos are familiar and audible to us, the different sounds they make are easier to tell apart. But many bat sounds fall outside the range of normal human hearing and are nothing like the language we're used to. So bat vocal patterns must be identified visually by hunting for signature shapes in their sound waves. Scientists logged thousands of sounds from 200 plus babbling bouts and sorted them into syllables. That required manually matching the visual shapes of sound waves to 25 types of adult bat syllables. Eventually, they assembled a library of bat calls that resembled human babbling. Like babies, the bat pups produce long strings of sounds made of the basic structures of adult sounds. They also had their own rhythms, just like baby babbles have distinct cadences. And the features of these sounds were found in every bat colony, the way that all babies babble, regardless of language or culture. In the future, the researchers hope to learn more about why little bats chatter in the first place. The same group has begun studying genes that in humans relate to language. If similar genes are active in bat brains during both babbling and language acquisition, it could mean that these early bat vocalizations are simply the warm-up sessions for fully developed bat songs, the way baby babbling is a precursor to human speech. Bats may be echoing the evolution of human communication, even if it's just out of earshot.